Hello, Mai. Thank you so much for your comment. So, let me answer your question. So, if you have received your statement of account and let's say for example, nag-spend ka ng 100 pesos, tapos nag-spend ka ng 100 pesos installments for 10 months. So kapag na-receive mo yung statement of account mo, ang babayaran mo lang muna since yung isang 100 pesos is installment for 10 months, ang babayaran mo lang muna is yung isang 100 pesos straight payment and then 10 piso nung 100 pesos na pinurchase mo ng installments. So, the rest of the 90 pesos na installments, sisingilin siya sa'yo ng bangko buwan-buwan hanggang makumpleto mo yung 10 months. But for your end of the month statement, ang babayaran mo lang would be 110 pesos. I hope this helps and sana simple and madali yung example na binigay ko.